People, I know it's been way too long. I've not done anything in ages, but here we are with a new game, Singularity. I used to play this back in the day, and decided I'll come back to it, and I'll see how it goes on the channel, I guess. This used to be quite a fun one, helps you learn random stuff. I know Tiazu recently did a thing with him. Apparently they had a cat event on or something. Okay. This is one of these really tabby games. Right, planet Earth. Earth provides just the right mixture of chemicals and abundance of water, and an oxygen-rich atmosphere for creating the ideal environment for developing life. At certain parts I might end up skipping part of the video, or pausing part of it just because otherwise it might take way too long. On the primeval planet Earth, an atmospheric solution rich in oxygen compounds sets the ideal conditions for the development of life. Okay, next one, get on amino acids, because this is the first one that gives you just stuff all the time. Atoms and molecules bond together to create amino acids, organic compounds that combine to build proteins. These are some of the most essential building blocks for life. Alright. Here we go, our first producer thing. What's this one? Oh, this gives us more entry tab. That is pretty good. Okay, I'm fine. Nucleides are the chemical compounds that build the foundation for DNA and RNA. I'm going to get that 2 times speed in a second, just to make it a bit quicker. Right, there we go. Now we're going to get our DNA. Let's do it quick. A molecule with the unique property of self-replication, DNA's infinite configuration form the foundations of all evolutionary changes. It contains the genetic instructions for all life on Earth. Right, now we're going to get the moon, which gives us more entry tab. The gravitational force exerted by the moon and the sun and the rotation of Earth turn the tide of ancient oceans to advance life. Okay, we can get protein, which gives us buff to DNA, which means we're going to get some more DNA in a minute. The building blocks of living cells, proteins are molecules made from long chains of amino acids. Right, you can get a decent amount of these. Oh, okay. Just smashing the tab button here. I'm going to get preferably 11. Since these are big ones, and hopefully they'll help us quickly get to the next few. Oh, there we go. Right. I'm thinking, do I want to go for RNA or... Yeah, I'll go for this first. The first living organism. These tiny unicellular organisms lacked a membrane-wrapped nucleus, but paved the way for the rest of life to begin. The first signs of life bubble up in the primordial soup. Pronounce it right. Oh, got an achievement. Prokaryotes have high metabolic and growth rates, leading them to be not only the first true organisms on Earth, but also one of the most prolific. Right, we've got a lot of stuff we can get here. Okay, we're going to go for RNA next. RNA is responsible for transferring genetic code from the nucleus to ribosomes to make proteins. It controls gene expression and regulation. So I'm going to get a bunch more of these. Right. Probably not worth getting any more than that. Just because they're still really low compared to everything else. But they're cheaper. Right, mitochondria. The powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria, are the organelles that convert glucose to energy. Right, I'll get some more of these dudes then. Alright. What I'm going to go for next, maybe... Nah. The plasma membrane protects the interior of cells from the environment. Okay, here we go. How many more do I want? Just... They give me like half that. Honestly, probably don't need more than 13 now. Volcano. The carbon dioxide produced by erupting prehistoric volcanoes warmed the Earth and was a major catalyst in making Earth habitable in its early stages of development. Okay, how much does that produce? I'll go up to 25, I think. Probably not worth it, but even though 40 is still a highest producer, just for that price it's a bit no need getting any more. A cell's control center. The nucleus contains chromosomes that house DNA. Okay. So I'll get you up to about 7 maybe. I mean, that's probably good enough. I want to get a bit more into you though. Yeah, one more. Let's do that. Okay, here we go. Amino origins. In 1806, French chemist Louis Nicolas Vauquelin and Pierre-Jean Rabiticut, I have no idea how to pronounce the last name, isolated a compound in asparagus that was subsequently named asparagine, the first amino acid to be discovered. Right. Beginning with a virus first. A virus is a biological agent that replicates within other cells. Surprisingly, its ability to infiltrate the DNA of other organisms is one reason that humans even exist. That's a big producer now. I guess with 10. I want to get you first. Mitosis is a process of asexual reproduction, where one cell divides into two identical cells. It occurs only in eukaryotic cells and enables single-celled organisms to multiply. The Sun is the star of our solar system, a gravitational parent to 8 planets, and their moons, and countless asteroids and comets. Its nuclear energy bathes all the orbiting children in heat and light, a steady solar wind of particles. Let's go to the Milky Way. I'm not going to go to the thing yet. The Milky Way is a galaxy that contains our solar system. It's estimated to contain up to 400 billion stars located in the Orion Arm. Our solar system is 2,700 light years from the galactic center, a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A. I have no idea. Right, I've heard a bit about that one. It's unique, I'll give it that. Asexual reproduction. Similar to mitosis, asexual reproduction is the process by which an entire organism is produced from a single parent. Some types of asexual reproduction are budding, sporification, and porphyrogenesis. Parthenogenesis, I think. I hope I did do that right. Bacteria are unicellular microorganisms that have cell walls, but none of the organelles that make up multicellular organisms. While some can make you sick, most bacteria are harmless, and many are actually necessary for you to survive. Yeah, they keep going on about that in science, where they keep talking about how they're useful and stuff. And I understand that they are useful, but how the amount of times they say that to people is just a bit insane. Okay, up to 15. It's producing going to be producing 10 a second, which is actually a bit under that. So I might just get up to 15 there. The ozone layer is in the Earth's stratosphere. The ozone layer in the Earth's stratosphere protects the planet from ultraviolet radiation. Over time, human pollution has damaged this essential barrier. eukaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell's more complex cousin, eukaryotic cells, have a nucleus to store genetic information. Fungi, plants, animal, and protozoa are all built from eukaryotic cells. We learned about protozoa in our entire virus bacteria topic. Those are the ones which bloody malaria is, aren't they? Apparently you can't actually get a vaccine for them. You can get some stuff to help you prevent it, but it's really annoying to deal with. Oh, tissues. Tissues are a group of cells come together to perform a specific function. Organs are formed by groups of tissues. Right, we've got 15 here, which produces that. Will probably outproduce you now. Come on. There we go. Right. I'm just going to push it up to 10. It's a decent 200 a second, that's a decent amount. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a gel-like substance which gives us a colourless substance that fills the inside of eukaryotic cells. It is secured by the cell membrane and all of the organelles float in it. We got Oh yeah, I've got a really where is it? Where was it? This thing and what's the one? Fuck me. Give me a sec. Okay, I've got it, I think. There we go. I'm with something to do with cats. Good on time, yeah. Right, what we're going for next, we've got sexual reproduction, which should give us more entropy tap. A longer method of cell multiplication involving both meiosis and mitosis. Sexual reproduction combines genetic information from two individuals, or is it, of different types or sexes to create a new organism. Filter feeding, a passive way of finding nourishment, involves having nutrients filter through an organism's body. This is the feeding method of choice for shellfish, krill, and sponges. Right. I'm not going to get any more eukaryotic cells because sponge is already first going to do it for us. I'm probably going to end getting the sponge. So here we go. And oh, we can go straight to jellyfish. Fuck it, we might as well. Jellyfish are soft-bodied, free-swimming aquatic animals with gelatinous, umbrella-shaped body and long floating tentacles. They can propel themselves through water by pulsing their body. I'm gonna end the video probably around here. Maybe I'll get a few more bloody. That was we got an achievement, didn't we? This thing, upward and onwards are basic creatures develop the ability to swim. They leave the grounding of the ocean floors and are able to explore new worlds, heading towards the surface. Right. I think we might be able to get flatworms from here. Right. Muscles are fibrous tissues in animal bodies with the ability to contract. This action enables the muscles to move, in turn moving the bones that are attached to them. Right, I'm gonna end it here. We've got a decent production coming up, most from sponges, a decent amount from eukaryotic cells as well, followed by jellyfish and these dudes, and everything below these is still producing a bit, not anything almighty though. Anyway, yep, see you later guys.